Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a teacher looking to get more organized or just want a simple way to track your students' progress, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a student checklist in Google Sheets, an incredibly handy tool for marking attendance, keeping tabs on assignments, or even tracking behavior. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or already pretty comfortable, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a custom digital checklist ready to go, and you'll know how to make it work for your unique classroom needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you're already logged into your Gmail account, you're halfway there. Now take a look at the very top right corner of your Gmail page. You should see a grid of 9 small dots. That's your Google Apps menu. Give those dots a click. It might take a second to expand, especially if your internet's a bit slow, but all your favorite Google tools will pop up. From here, simply find and click on the icon labeled Google Sheets. This opens up a new tab and you're ready to get started. Once you're in Google Sheets, it's time to actually make your checklist. Here, where the magic happens, begin by entering your students' names in the first column. You might want to add assignment names or dates in the top row. Feel free to make your checklist as detailed or as simple as you need. Now for the best part, adding checkboxes. Checkboxes are a game changer because they let you quickly tick off items without any fuss, plus they just feel satisfying to use. To add checkboxes, simply drag to select the cells where you want them, maybe next to each student's name or for specific assignments. Then look at the top menu bar, click on Insert, and from the drop-down choose Checkbox. Instantly, little checkboxes will appear right where you want them. It's a super visual and interactive way to keep your checklist up to date. But let's take it a step further. As you start using your checklist, you might want to add some order or sort things, like grouping together all students who haven't completed their work yet or who need a follow-up. This is where filters come in handy. To set up a filter, first drag and select all the rows and columns that make up your checklist. Don't worry about being too precise, just make sure all your data is included. Now at the top right corner, you'll see a little funnel icon, which is the Create a Filter button. Give it a click. Once you activate the filter, you'll notice small drop-down arrows at the top of your columns. These let you sort and filter your list however you need. It's a great way to quickly focus on students who need extra attention without having to scroll through your entire list. And here's a fun bonus. You are not locked into black and white checkboxes. If you want to add a splash of color, maybe color code completed work in green or use different colors for different classes, you can totally do that. Right-click on the cells and use the format options to change the background color. It's a nice way to make your checklist more visually appealing and even more functional. That's all there is to it. Now you have a simple, powerful student checklist right inside Google Sheets, ready to help you stay organized and on top of things this school year. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.